shopkeeper purchased 9 pens at 10 rupees and sold 6 pens at 7 rupees. People, he is buying 9 pens at 10 rupees and he sold 6 pens at 7 rupees. Now tell me people, if he is buying 9 pens at 10 rupees, he'll buy 1 pen at how much? He'll buy 1 pen at 10 by 9 rupees. And if he's selling 6 pens at 7 rupees, he'll sell 1 pen at how much? 7 by 6 rupees. I hope the concept is clear. So if I want to know my profit, selling price minus cost price is my profit, divided by cost price into 100. Now disadvantage with this method is it is quite lengthy and it takes a lot of time to simplify. So this is not the way to solve. How do you solve this sum in the fastest way is this way. I am buying 9 pens at 10 rupees and I am selling 6 pens at 7 rupees. People, simplest way to solve this problem is this way. Now, here I can see I am buying 9 pens and here I am selling 6 pens. So what we should do is we should make the number of pens equal. Equal means common, common means common multiple. We want to find the LCM of 6 and 9. People, what is the LCM of 6 and 9? 18. Now you tell me 9 watts are 18, 9 2s are 18, 6 watts are 18, 6 3s are 18. I hope you have understood the concept. Now please don't waste your time writing 9 2s are 18 pens, 6 3s are 18 pens. Left side 18 pens we are known. Without wasting time, what is 2 into 10? 20 rupees. Which means I am buying the pen at 20 rupees. What is 3 7s are? 21 rupees. Now you tell me, buying at 20, selling at 21, what is my profit? 1 rupee. Now people, I don't want you to do divided by cost price into 100. Now my profit is 1 rupee. Am I right? Now cost price, what is 10%? 2 rupees. Now you tell me, if 2 rupees is 10%, 1 rupee is what percent? 1 rupee is 5%. So answer is 5% profit. Are you seeing this is so simple and easy to solve? And even this is time consuming. This is how you solve in any IT company as well as in competitive exams. But in textbook, they'll give you these methods. Please do not follow this. Clear? Please make a note of only the second method. Look at the question. He is buying how many books? He is buying 54 books at how much? 100 rupees. And he is selling how many books? He is selling 18 books at how much? 60 rupees. Like the previous sum, what did I tell you? We have to make the number of books equal. So find the LCM of 54 and 18. Can I say the LCM of 54 and 18 is 54 itself? Right? Now, 18 watts is 54? 18 threes are. Which means 3 into 60 is how much? 180 rupees. Now you tell me you're buying at 100 and you're selling at 180. So can I say my profit is 80 rupees? And 80 rupees is what percent of 100? 80%. So my answer is 80% profit. That's all. Please make a note of it. The next one. By selling 15 mangoes, a man recovers the cost of 20 mangoes. Find his profit or loss percent. By selling 15 mangoes means, can I say, selling price of 15 mangoes? He recovers. Recovers means what? He's getting back the amount, which means this is equal to what? Cost means what? Cost price. Cost price of how many mangoes? 20 mangoes. Clear till here? Now, I do not know the selling price. I do not know the cost price. Correct? Two unknowns, one equation we cannot solve, which means we have to assume. Now you tell me, should I assume the selling price or should I assume the cost price? Now many people will be in a dilemma. Sir, should I take selling price or cost price? Now I'll take an example, okay? I tell you have to sell a pen, I'll give it to you. I'll give you a pen and I tell you, you sell this pen. Now you tell me at what rate will you sell? For that, first you should get to know what is the cost price of the pen. No, then only you'll get to know. Your selling price always depends on your cost price. Concept clear? Whenever you want to sell an article, first you should get to know the cost price of the article. So selling price always depends on cost price. So we always assume cost price and not the selling price. I hope the concept is clear. So in this question, I will assume cost price of one mango as, shall I take it as 1 rupee or X rupees? They have not given a value, so you can assume a value. You can take it as 1 rupee. If cost price of one mango is 1 rupee, cost price of 20 mangoes is how much? 20 rupees. And this 20 rupees is nothing but what? Selling price of 15 mangoes. So if I want to know my profit, I should know cost price of 15 mangoes. 1 mango 1 rupee, 15 mangoes 15 rupees. Yes people, you are buying at 15 rupees and you are selling at 20 rupees. Am I right? Buying at 15, selling at 20, what is your profit? 5 rupees. What is your cost price? 15 rupees into 100. 5 ones are 5 threes are. What is 100 by 3? It is nothing but 33.33%. Please make a note. Now, the previous question, again you can do it in a faster way. How? Try to understand. By selling 15 mangoes, a merchant recovers the cost of 20 mangoes. Can I say by selling means nothing but his selling price? I am selling 15 mangoes and I am getting back the cost price of what? 20 mangoes. Cost of 20 mangoes means what? I am buying. Selling means what? I am selling. Now try to understand. I am buying 20 mangoes and in this 20 mangoes, how many mangoes am I selling? I am selling 15 mangoes. Sir, I am buying 20 mangoes. In this 20, I am selling 15 means what? I kept 5 mangoes with me. Am I right? In this 20, I kept 5 mangoes with me and sold the remaining 15 mangoes to you. So can I say my profit is 5 over every 15? Can I say 5 over 15 is 1/3 of the amount? 1/3 of the amount is nothing but 33.33%. Yes or no? So this is how you do the sums in the fastest way. Shall we move on to the next one? Please look. The selling price of 10 articles, which means what? You are selling 10 articles. Remember this. The selling price of 10 articles is equal to the cost price of 15 articles. Cost price means what? You are buying. How many articles are you buying? You are buying 15 articles. And in this 15, how many are you selling? 10. Sir, I am buying 15 articles. In this 15, I am selling 10 means what? I kept 5 with me. So my profit is 5 over every 10 articles. So 5 over 10 is nothing but half. Half is nothing but 50% amount. I hope you have understood the concept. Let's move on to the next question. The selling price of 10 articles is equal to the cost price of 19 articles. Cost price of 19 articles means I am buying 19 articles. In this 19, I am selling how much? 10. Buying 19, selling 10 means I kept 9 articles with me. So my profit is 9 over 10. 9 over 10 is what percent? 90% profit. Clear? Do we have that option? Yes, that is option C. Clear? Let's move on to the next problem. The selling price of 20 articles is equal to the cost price of 15 articles. You're buying 15 articles, but you're selling 20 articles. How is this possible? You're buying 15, but you're selling 20 means what? You're putting 5 articles from your end. Concept clear? Buying 15, selling 20 means you're buying 15, selling 20 means what? You're putting 5 articles from your end. So you have a profit or a loss? You have a loss. You have a loss of how much? 5 articles over every 20 articles. So 5 over 20 is 1/4 of the amount. 1/4 of the amount is nothing but 25% loss. I hope the concept is clear, all of you. Shall we move on to the next one? Very important sum with respect to competitive exams. A man bought a horse and a carriage at 3,000. Okay. So let the cost price of horse be X, let the cost price of carriage be Y. He's buying them at 3,000 rupees. Okay. Next step, what are they telling? He sold the horse at 20% profit. People, if he is getting 20% profit, can I say he's selling at 120% of the cost price? Yes or no? So 120% is nothing but 1.2x. And the carriage at a loss of 10% means what? He's selling at 90% of the cost price, which means he's selling at 0.95. And overall, he's getting how much percent profit? 2%. People, He is buying at 3,000. In this 3,000, he is getting 2% profit. What is 1%? 30 rupees. 2%? 60 rupees. So he is getting a profit of 60 rupees means he is selling at how much? 3,060 rupees. I hope the concept is clear. Two unknowns, two equation. We apply simultaneous linear equation. Now I want to find out the cost price of horse. So try to cancel the carriage. So I multiply this by 0.9. 1.2 minus 0.9 is how much? 0.3x. 0.9 minus 0.9 gets cancelled. So this will be 3060 minus 3000. Sorry, 3060 minus 0.9 into 3000. What is 90% of 3000? Can I say 90% is 100% minus 10%? 100% is 3000, 10% is 300. 3000 minus 300 is how much? 2700. So this will be 3060 minus 2700 is 360. This 360 is 0.3, so multiplying by 10, 3x will be 3600. So this will be 3 ones are 3 12s are followed by 2 zeros. So my answer is 1200 rupees. Please make a note. People, the previous sum can be solved in a faster way and in a simpler way. Just look at the option. People, if horse is 1000, can I say carriage will be 2000? Because totally he is buying at 3000. I'm just going with the option. Second option, if horse is 1200, carriage will be how much? 1800. Because total is 3000. Okay. Now try to understand, if I am getting profit, which means I am getting extra money. If I am getting a loss, which means I am losing money. You just have to remember one thing. What is that? I am getting an overall profit of how much percent? 2%. That is how much rupees? 60 rupees. This you have to remember. Clear? On the horse you are getting how much percent? 20%. So let me check with this. What is 10%? 100 rupees. 20%? 200 rupees. So on the horse I got 200 rupees profit means what? Plus. And on the carriage 10% loss. What is 10%? 200 rupees, but I am getting loss. So overall, am I getting 60 rupees profit? 200 minus 200? No sir. So answer cannot be option A. Now look at option B, 20%. What is 10%? 120. 20%? 240. 10% loss. What is 10%? 180. Loss means minus. People, 240 minus 180. Am I getting 60 rupees profit? Yes sir. So answer has to be option B, that is 1200. I hope you have understood the concept. Please make a note. In the textbook, if you just open and check, it will be one-page solution, okay? I'll just give you within one line how to solve this problem. A dealer sold 3/4 of his articles at 20% profit and the remaining at 20% loss. Find his overall profit percent. People, very simple. 3/4 of the articles is selling at 20% profit and the remaining at 20% loss. Okay, remaining means what? Out of 3/4, remaining is what? 1/4. Loss means minus, so here it will be minus. Can I say 4 ones are 4 fives are? 4 ones are 4 fives are. So what is 3 fives are? 15. 15 minus 5 is what? 10%. If nothing is there, it is plus. If it is plus, it is profit. So answer is 10% profit. That is option A. Please make a note.